Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today I will show you a few example about chain rule. Okay, example number 1. Okay, let's say given that y equal to 1 over 3x minus 1. Find what is dy over dx. Okay, always remember, before you solve any kind of equation, better you simplify the form of the equation first before you apply the chain rule. For this question, what I am going to do is, what I did is, this 3x minus 1, I bring up. Okay, you bring up the 3x minus 1, it become y equal to 3x minus 1 to the power of negative 1. What kind of rule that I use over here? Remember, if we have y equal to 1 over x, when you want to bring up this x, it will become x to the power of negative 1. This is the thing that I apply over here. Okay, and then next, use the substitution. Let u equal to 3x minus 1. This y equal to u power negative 1. Differentiate both of them. We will get du dx and also dy du. Power go down, power minus 1. That's how I get negative 2. Okay, and then this is the chain rule formula. Dy dx equal to dy du times du dx. Just substitute dy du dx inside respective place over here. So negative u power of negative 2 multiplied by 3. Remember, our answer should be in the form of, in terms of x. Okay, replace back 3x minus 1 over here. So negative 3 in bracket 3x minus 1 to the power of negative 2. Write in proper order. So it's going to be negative 3 over 3x minus 1 square. Okay, this is simple example. Example number 1. Okay, now I will show you next example. Example number 2. Always remember, in order for you to find the chain rule, if you can think how to simplify the equation, it will be easy. Okay, example, if we have y equal to, let's say, 7 over 3 in bracket 5x square plus 2 the power of 3, let's say. Okay, find dy over dx. If you compare example number 2 with example number 1 just now, example number 1, I don't have this constant for the denominator. Okay, how to apply this? First, I will simplify. Okay, always remember, when you want to simplify this kind of equation, when you want to move the denominator, do not move everything. Do not move everything. The only part that you should move is only this part. So it's going to be 7 over 3. Okay, you see, 5x squared plus 2 is going to be up here. 5x squared plus 2 the power of negative 3. The constant 3 remain below as the denominator. Okay, then next step, use the assumption. Let u equal to the thing inside the bracket, 5x squared plus 2. Then when u is 5x squared plus 2, what is our y equation? So y is equal to 7 over 3 u the power of negative 3. Okay, and then the next thing that you should do is differentiate both of them one by one. Du dx, dy du. Okay, let's find du dx first. Du over dx, okay, I will differentiate 5x squared plus 2. We get 10x. Okay, this is du over dx. What about dy over du? Dy over du, okay, differentiate this one. 7 over 3 u the power of negative 3. Power go down, power minus 1. So you will get minus, I bring down negative 3, simplify with 3, it left only negative 7. Then u power of negative 4. Where is 3? Already cancel out. Power, when I bring down negative 3 in front, I will cancel with this denominator. Okay, so left only negative 7 u power negative 4. And then substitute inside the formula. Dy dx is equal to dy du multiply du dx. What is dy du? Negative 7 u the power of negative 4. What is du dx? Multiply by 10x. Let's put it in bracket. Simplify. 7 and 10 becomes negative 70x. What about u? This is our u. 5x square plus 2 the power of negative 4. Then equal to negative 70x over 5x square plus 2 the power of 4. So this is in the simplest form, dy over dx. Always remember, when you want to bring up the denominator, bring the thing in the bracket up there. Leave alone the constant 3 as the denominator. Next example. What if similar like this? Okay, I also will ask you to find the dy over dx. Example number 3. But this time, if the question asking find the dy dx for y equal to, okay, now cube root of x cube minus 3x. Find dy over dx. Okay, solution. Always remember, when you have the root, square root or cube root, the first thing that you should do is convert in the form of power. So this one we will get x cube minus 3x the power of 1 over 3 because cube root. Okay, now we will use the assumption, let u equal to x cube minus 3x, and then y right now will become u the power of 1 over 3. Differentiate each of them. Du over dx is equal to 3x square minus 3. How about this? Dy over du is equal to, power go down, power minus 1, 1 over 3 u, 1 over 3 minus 1, you get negative 2 over 3. Okay, and now all information we found already, then we can find our dy over dx. So dy over dx is dy du multiply du dx. So this is our dy du. So we will get 1 over 3 u the power of negative 2 over 3. What is our du dx? This thing. So in bracket 3x square minus 3. Okay, do not leave your answer like this. Okay, this is not the final answer yet. You need to simplify everything. So this is equal to, okay, you need to replace back with the x cube minus 3x. So you will get 3, okay, in bracket 3x square minus 3. Okay, now I will replace u. U is x cube minus 3x the power of negative 2 over 3 divided by 3. Okay, now I will think how to remove the denominator. I see common factor is 3, so this 3 and this 3 can be simplified. So 3 I will factorize x square minus 1 in bracket x cube minus 3x the power of negative 2 over 3 divided by 3. Then cancel this one, what you get? X square minus 1, and then this one x cube minus 3x the power of negative 2 over 3. Okay, then last, okay, we write over here our final answer, our last final answer equal to, okay, rewrite again. So x square minus 1, this time I am going to bring down the power because this is power negative. We bring down into the denominator, it will become x cube minus 3x the power of 2 over 3. Okay, and then you can also write in the form of root x squared minus 1 over this power 2 over 3. You can do like this. This 3 meaning root 3. This 2 meaning square power 2. So x cube minus 3x square. So this is our final answer, dy over dx. Okay, next example. Okay, similar like this with the root thing. What if I want to find dy dx for y equal to, let's make it fraction, 3 over root x plus 2. Solution. Always remember, whenever you have the fraction, bring up the denominator. Okay, since this is the square root, so you can do like this. So y is equal to 3 bracket x plus 2 the power of negative half, because square root meaning power half. Okay, and then we use the assumption, let u equal to x plus 2, and then y equal to 3 u the power of negative half. Differentiate each of them. Du over dx is equal to 1. What about dy over du? So power go down, power minus 1. So negative 3 over 2 u the power of negative 3 over 2. How do I get negative 3 over 2? Negative half minus 1. Okay, now let's find what is our dy over dx. Dy du multiplied by du dx. Since du dx is 1, so our chain rule is going to be like this, multiply by 1. So negative 3 over 2, what is our u? X plus 2 the power of negative 3 over 2. Then make it in proper order. So negative 3 over 2 bracket x plus 2 the power of 3 over 2. If you leave your answer like this, also acceptable. But if you want to keep going, you can write like this. Then power 3 over 2, so 2 here. this is square root, this is power. Square root in bracket x plus 2 power 3. Okay, so this is our final answer. Okay, some student in the exam, what did they do is they stop up until here. Here also correct. Okay, if you keep going, this one also correct, you still will get full mark. Okay, but if you stop up here, you will not get full mark. You must simplify, at least you make the power negative become positive, then you stop the working. Okay.